So the second topic is about confidence interval. So a confidence interval is a statistical range that estimates the range of values that a population parameter such as population mean is likely to fall within. Based on a sample of data, it is a range of values that is likely to contain the true value of parameter with a certain degree of confidence. Confidence intervals are commonly used in statistical inference, which is the process of using data from a sample to make inference or prediction about larger population. They provide a way to quantify the uncertainty associated with an estimate of population parameter. Confidence interval can be utilized in various fields including medical research to estimate the effectiveness of treatment or medication. Second, marketing research to estimate the proportion of people who prefer a certain product or brand. Third, political polling to estimate the proportion of voters who support a particular candidate. Fourth, quality control to estimate the mean or standard deviation of a product parameter based on a sample products. Overall, confidence interval provide a useful tool for marketing statistical inference and estimating population parameters with a certain level of confidence based on sample data.
In real-life problem number 1, a pharmaceutical company wants to estimate the mean time it takes for a new medication to relieve pain in patients. The company randomly selects a sample of 50 patients who have taken the medication and finds that the sample mean time is 45 minutes. With a sample standard deviation of 10 minutes, construct a 99% confidence interval for the true mean time it takes for the medication to relieve pain in patient. Using this formula, we have Ci is equals to x plus Za divide 2 times sine of A and divide 2 sine of N. Ci is a confidence interval x sample mean. Za divide 2 is the critical value to standard normal distribution for the desired level of confidence. A divided 2 is equal to 0.005 for a 99% confidence level is the population, the standard deviation, and N is the sample. Since the population standard deviation is unknown, we can use the sample standard deviation as estimate for the population standard deviation, plug in the values we get. So, here are the solving problem. Therefore, we can 99% confident that the true mean time it takes for the medication to relieve pain in patients fall with the range of 41.35 to 48.65 minutes. The problem number 2. A car dealership wants to estimate the mean mileage of certain car model. The dealership takes a random sample of 25 cars of models and finds that the sample mean mileage is 30,000 miles with a sample standard deviation of 5,000 miles. Construct a 90% confidence interval for the true mean mileage of the car model. So here the solution using the same formula as the previous example we have. Therefore, we can be 90% confident that true mean mileage of this car model falls within the range of 28,356 to 31,644 miles.
How can confidence interval be applied in solving the given problems? The confidence interval can be applied to solve a wide range of problems in different fields, including but not limited to business. Confidence intervals can be used to estimate the mean sales, profits, or customer satisfaction levels of a product or service. This information can help companies make informed decisions about pricing, marketing, and product development. Second, in medicine. Confidence intervals can be used to estimate the effectiveness of a new drug or treatment. This information can help doctors and researchers make decisions about patient care and further research. Third one, in education. Confidence intervals can be used to estimate the test scores or academic performance of a group of students. This information can help teachers and administrators identify areas of strength and weakness and develop effective teaching strategies. The fourth, in environmental science. Confidence intervals can be used to estimate the mean levels of population or other environmental factors in a given area. This information can help policymakers and environmentalists make decisions about regulations and interventions. And the last, in financial analysis. Confidence intervals can be used to estimate the mean or volatility of returns on an investment portfolio. This information can help investors make decisions about asset location and risk management.
In conclusion, a confidence interval is a way to estimate a range of values where the true value of population parameter, like an average or a proportion, is like to be with certain level of confidence. This is useful in many different fields like business, medicine, and social sciences because it helps people make the decision based on data that is not entirely certain by calculating a confidence interval so we can communicate how certain we are about our estimate, which can help people make more informed choices. So, if you work with data, knowing how to calculate and interpret confidence intervals is really important. So, in the takeaways, this slide shows the individual takeaways of each member. So, that's all. Thank you.